Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Welcome everyone. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. What the best cooking around here? Delicious Delight. Come and have a bite. Subscribe. Don't forget to share, like, and comment. Delicious Delight YouTube channel. Come along, everyone. You know what DD make all of the good juice, them all of the good food, them blend up strong back. You been looking for a perfect cooking YouTube channel. Well, share it up, cause this are the right one. Wanna wait for me, I get 1 second. Share the video, man. Make DD a subscribers by the millions. Remember, everything always clean and neat in a DD kitchen. Delicious Delight. Full up your appetite. Take it from yard straight to abroad. Everything sweet when a combo, yeah. Both yard style and international. Share up the video, make we have fun, man. DD Kitchen have the best chefs I ever known. Delicious Delights always have fun. Watch DD blend up the beverage, them. Oh, them just different. Share to a friend and make a friend share to a friend. Share.
Welcome back, guys. Today we'll be making 3 energizing juices: mango, carrot, and mixed berry. And in the mixed berry I have blueberries, strawberries, cherries, and kale. So let's get right into this video, guys. And please remember to like, share, comment, and if it's your first time here on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, touch the notification bell. It will alert you every time when I post a new video. Thank you so much. Here you have it, guys. Look how vibrant these colors are. Very refreshing and energizing juice. Try out the recipe and remember to like and comment and put God first in everything that you're doing. Be kind to yourself so you know how to show kindness to others. Thanks again for watching. Take care of yourselves and I'll see you again in another video. Bye.